Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video we are doing your weekly love reading. Now I have to apologize because I got a little cold. Okay, so let's get started. What is my collective's overall energy this week? What is their overall energy? Please give me a clear answer. What is their overall energy? Okay, so we have express your love. So that means go ahead and make the romantic gesture. We also have passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. And then we have honeymoon in the reverse. When it's in the upright, it talks about enjoy the bliss of Holly. I said Holly. Enjoy the bliss of Holly. Why do I keep saying enjoy the bliss of holiday time together? All right, very interesting that popped out. And then what is this week? Valentine's Day. Makes sense. So you guys are definitely in love with someone. That's what I'm seeing. There's definitely someone that you have a lot of passion for. Okay. And maybe you haven't been expressing your love to this person. Like maybe you're afraid to let them know how you feel. Maybe you're worried that you guys won't be spending Valentine's Day together. Maybe you already know that you guys are not going to spend Valentine's Day together. Let's see. What is their overall energy? What is their overall energy? What is my collective's overall energy? Y'all give me 1 second. I'm tripping today. Okay, sorry about that. So what is their overall energy today? What is their overall energy today? And what is their overall energy for the whole entire week? So we have the King of Swords. So I feel like you guys are trying to be logical about the situation that you're in. You're trying to make some type of head over heart decision. It's kind of like you guys are trying to take your feelings out of the equation and make the best logical decision for yourself. We have strength. So I really feel like on a logical level, you're telling yourself that you need to practice self-control. So this could be that there's someone that you really, really love and you want to express how you feel to them, but you are holding back. And it's very funny because this reading keeps lingering for like the past 3 readings. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but for like the last 3 readings that I've done, we keep talking about you guys needing to express how you feel. And I feel like for some reason you guys are not doing it. And I feel like it's because you're afraid to get rejected. But sometimes it's best to just get rejected than to hold it all in because you're not able to move forward. You know, like this is always going to be in the back of your mind. And I feel like you need to say how you feel. That's what I'm seeing here. You need to express how you feel. Even if you feel like you're going to get rejected, you just need to express it. It's like you guys are really, really practicing self-control. Like you want to tell this person how you feel, but I feel like you're afraid to be rejected. Yeah, I feel like you really you want success and victory with this person. You love this person. If it was up to you, you would marry this person. You see this person as someone that you can have it all with. That's what you see with them. But sometimes we sabotage ourselves by our wants and our imagination. Now, I know I'm not the only one who has done this, but I used to have this thing where I knew it wasn't working out, and then I would be daydreaming about what could be, but that's all it was. It was just a daydream. You know what I'm saying? Like it never actually happened. And I feel like that's what you're doing here. But the only way to know what will actually be of you too is to tell this person how you feel. Okay? And I feel like you are. I feel like you are. I feel like this is going to be the week where you're like, I'm going to say how I feel. I'm actually seeing back and forth messages between you and this person. So this person may actually reach out to you and you may verbally say how you feel. Yeah, you want more equal give and take with this person. You want the scales to balance out. You want things to be more fair. You feel like you've extended yourself to this person and you want the same thing in return. We have death here. So I'm seeing a few things. When you have this conversation with this person, I don't know what that is. Anyways, when you have this conversation with this person, for some of you, it may actually lead to things ending completely with you guys, because you're going to say how you feel and you're not going to get the response that you want. But it's a good thing, because you're going to go through a transformation and it's going to be like, you know what? I'm going to end this out. I'm going to start a new chapter. I'm going to go through my own transformation. Like, I'm literally seeing a lot of you being like, you know what? I'm going to level up. I'm going to work on myself. I'm going to, have a new beginning, out with the old, in with the new, and just go through this whole entire spiritual and even physical transformation. And then for others of you, when you reach out to this person, it will be the end of this confusion, this lingering, this wondering where things are moving forward. And I'm actually seeing like a building of some type of friendship with you and this person. Not necessarily a relationship, but y'all working more to becoming friends again. I'm actually seeing like you hanging out with this person. So for some of you, you may actually like go out for drinks with this person on Valentine's Day. You may actually hang out. Okay. But I feel like that's what it's going to be. For some of you, it's just going to be friendship. And you're going to feel a bit rejected, because I feel like it's not going to lead towards anything. So what I'm seeing overall is that I don't feel like this is going to turn into a relationship with this person. For some of you, you'll move forward and go about your business. For others of you, it will be the end of this weird energy between you two where you don't know where things are heading, and you guys will be friends, but that's all it will be. Okay? But I feel like you'll be okay with it after a while, because you'll just grow bored with the situation. Okay? So I want to see how this person feels about you, and then we will end this reading. So how does this person feel about them? So we have, this could be the one in the reverse. So I don't feel like this person feels like, this is a connection that's going to lead to them finding their soulmate. Yeah, they're practicing self-control too. They're holding back from you too. That's why I feel like this is going to be the week where you guys communicate. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, you guys are going to communicate. They're mirroring you. They want to communicate with you too. There will be back and forth communication. I feel like this person does want to have like success with you and like victory with you, but on a friend level. Yeah, they want equal give and take, just the same way you do. But with death being here, I don't feel like they want it to like move forward as a relationship. They want it to be a friendship. It's like they want to end the way that you guys have been going about things with each other. They feel like it's best you guys be friends. That's what I'm seeing here. I feel like this person is actually involved with someone else. There may be some type of third party situation going on, but that's what I'm seeing. Like, they don't want it to be where you guys hate each other. They want you guys to be friends, but from what I'm seeing, that's as far as it's gonna go. So I feel like, yes, if you haven't heard from this person, either you're gonna reach out, they're gonna reach out, but it seems like they're gonna be more open to the conversation. So it's the right timing. So anyways, I'm gonna end this reading here. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, Instagram, share it with someone else. Talk to you soon. Bye.